Namaste, children. How are you all? I hope you are all safe at home. Right. Welcome to the today's maths class. We are continuing our chapter practical geometry. In the previous session, already we discussed SSS criterion and as well as SAS criterion. So by using those two criterions, how to construct a triangle, we already completed. Now today we are going to construct one more triangle by using ASA criterion. So what is ASA criterion? ASA criterion is nothing but angle side angle criterion. That is, they will give two angles of a triangle and included side of both the angles. So by using ASA criterion, we are going to construct a triangle. So what is ASA? Angle side angle criterion. That is two angles and one included side of a triangle. Right, children? So now let us discuss one example. Construct triangle XYZ. If it is given that XY equal to 6 centimeter, measure of angle ZXY is equal to 30 degrees and measure of angle XYZ is equal to 100 degrees. So here ZXY is nothing but angle X, XYZ is nothing but angle Y is equal to 100 degrees. So children, we know how to construct 30 degrees by using compass and as well as by using protractor we will construct 100 degrees and by using xy equal to 6 centimeter by using scale. So by using these three measurements, we are going to construct a triangle XYZ. So first of all, we will construct a rough diagram. Children, rough diagram also you can use scale while constructing a triangle. So we are going to construct a triangle XYZ. Okay. It's a very simple figure you can draw without any measurements. This is xy. Okay, in that angle 100 is nothing but that is obtuse angle, right? It is more than 90 degrees. It is more than 90 degrees and angle 30 is acute angle triangle. So we can construct like that. Means when you are constructing rough diagram, you will get idea how we are going to construct a real diagram. This is x and this is y, this is z. At y will become 100 degrees, at x is 30 degrees and xy is 6 centimeter. Right, children? Now come to the actual figure. Draw a line segment of xy. Draw a line segment of xy with 6 centimeter. Right? So you just start from 0. Start from 0. This is xy is 6 centimeter. This is x and this is y, 6 centimeter. So children, whenever you are constructing a line segment, see that it should be accurate. Right, now by using compass we are going to construct 30 degrees. 30 degrees is the angular bisector. That means it is first we will construct 60 degrees, then we will bisect it. Clear, children? So now take some convenient radius. You just open that. Right, now convenient radius, just whatever you want, take a small radius, just open that compass, then take center as x, draw the arc. Right, so already we discussed in yesterday's class how to construct 60 degrees. Clear? Now with that same radius you can cut this. Okay, now children, see this arc will intersect xy, first point A, next point B. Okay, now this part will become 60 degrees. Okay, now we are going to construct 30 degrees. How to take 30 degrees? 30 degrees is the half of the 60 degrees. So now you can draw angular bisector. Okay, bisector means it divides into two equal halves. Okay, now see, take more than half of the length of AB. See, this is AB length. Clear? Take more than half. Right? Take center as A. Take center as A. Draw the arcs. Take center as A. Now draw the arc here, as well as take center as B. Cut that arc. Right? Now this is a point XP. You have to take that. Okay, now just extend that XP. Okay, draw a line segment, or draw a ray from X. Right? So now from X we are going to draw a ray which is passing through point P. Right, children? This is ray. XO is a ray. Okay. Now we are going to construct 100 degrees by using protractor. Now place the protractor at point Y exactly. See this here. This is the point will coincide with Y, and this line will coincide with XY. Clear, children? Now where is 100 degrees? Here it is 100 degrees. Okay. Now here you can keep the point. Now you just draw a line with that point. Right? From that point you can draw a line segment from Y. Right. So now this XO and Y, let us take the one more YQ. XO and YQ are intersecting at one point. This is Z. That is Z. This is required triangle. Now you can write the measurements here. This is 100 degrees and this will be 30 degrees. This is the required construction of triangle XYZ by using ASA criterion. Children, once again I want to tell you, I'm going to explain you how to construct a triangle by using ASA criterion. Right, children? So first of all, here they given XYZ, triangle XYZ, in that XY equal to 6 centimeter and angle X is equal to 30, angle Y equal to 100 degrees they given. Draw the rough diagram. Then after that, draw a line segment XY 6 centimeter. Clear? And we can construct 30 degrees with the using of compass. By using compass, you can construct 30 degrees. Clear? Then by using protractor, you can construct 100 degrees. Right? Just extend the lines. Both the lines will intersect at a point that is Z. Right? Now XYZ is the required construction of triangle XYZ. Right, children? Right, children, come to the next criterion, that is RHS. What is RHS? Right angle, hypotenuse and side. Right angle, hypotenuse, side criterion. That is, in the given triangle, one angle will be 90 degrees. So right angle is nothing but 90 degrees, hypotenuse and side. So now here we are going to construct a triangle LMN, right angle at M, given that LN is equal to 5 centimeter and MN is equal to 3 centimeter. So by using these three measurements, we are going to construct a triangle LMN. So now right angle is nothing but how much degrees here? 90 degrees. So we know that how to construct 90 degrees by using compass. So before that, you can construct, first of all, draw a rough sketch. Okay. So right angle means one angle will be 90 degrees. Right. So now rough diagram. Here they given LMN. Now this is MN. This is LM, then join this. Okay, right angle at M, the vertex at M, it will become 90 degrees. Okay. Right. This is L, M, N. They given angle M is 90 degrees. This is 90 degree symbol. Ln is equal to 5 centimeter and Mn is equal to 3 centimeter. Clear, children? This is a rough figure. Now by using this we are going to construct a actual triangle. Clear? Now first of all draw the line segment MN. Draw the line segment MN with 3 centimeter. Right? So it is very easy to construct 90 degrees. Clear, children? So draw MN 3 centimeter. So start from 0 up to 3 centimeter. So this is MN 3 centimeter. So this is M, this is N 3 centimeter. Clear? Now at M we are going to construct 90 degrees. Same, take some convenient radius with compass. Okay, open up. Take your some convenient radius. Take center as M. Center as M. Then you just draw that. Take center as M. Draw the arcs like this. We can construct first 60, 120. And in between 60 and 120 will be having 90 degrees. Clear? With this radius we are going to construct. Right. With that same radius, see this here. This arc will intersect MN at a point A. Okay. Now with that same radius, without changing that radius, take center as A, draw the arc. Draw the arc. This will become 60 degrees. Okay. Then next from that point children, see this here. So from A we will construct with that same radius you can draw the arc. This is point B. From this we can construct one more. This is 120. Clear? Now this is point B. This is point C. Now in between B and C, with that same radius we can construct the 90 degrees. So take center as B. Draw the arc above the BC. Now with that same radius take center as C. By taking center as C, you just cut that arc. Okay, that is a point. Let us take one point, that is point D here. Now you just extend that line with M, it will be, which is passing through D here. Right, children? Which will passing through D. This is a ray. Right? That is MD is a ray. Clear? Now take 5 centimeter on the scale. Okay? Take 5 centimeter on the scale, because here they given Ln is equal to 5 centimeter. Take 5 centimeter on the scale with compass. Just open up and see that right? This is 5 centimeter. Now take center as n. Take center as n. By taking center as n, we can cut that ray at one point. So that is vertex L here. This is L. Now join LN. Just join LN. You will get the required construction. This is 5 centimeter. Clear, children? That is 5 centimeter. Now you can measure LM. How much it is there? If you measure LM, it will become 4 centimeter. Right, it is exactly 4 centimeter. Right, children? So 3, 4, 5 are the Pythagorean triplets. Right, children? So here angle M is equal to how much here? 90 degrees. This is 90 degrees. Is this clear? So once again I am going to explain to you. You can listen carefully. We are going to construct a triangle LMN by using RHS criterion. That is right angle hypotenuse side criterion. So now construct a triangle LMN, right angle at M, given that LN is equal to 5 centimeter and MN is equal to 3 centimeter. Draw the rough sketch LMN, right? Now, first of all, draw a line segment MN with 3 centimeter. Now, construct 90 degrees by using compass. Clear? Draw a ray. MD is a ray which is passing through D here. Just extend that line. Extend that ray. Now, take 5 centimeter on the scale by using compass. Take center as N. Cut that ray at point L. Join LN will become 5 centimeter. Right, children? Right, children, I hope you understood that how to construct a triangle by using ASA criterion and as well as RHS criterion. Right? So today's homework is exercise 10.4 question number 1 to 3 and exercise 10.5 question number 1 to 3. Please complete these questions and forward to my WhatsApp number. Thank you, children. Have a great day.